Hi, I'm Izzy, routing expert at Byway. In this series, we're sharing all of our advice, tips and tricks for DIYing your own slow travel trip. See below for the full series. And of course, if you'd rather not untangle the web of reservations yourself, Byway can take the whole trip off your hands. We'll build your route, book your tickets and hotels, and stay on hand throughout your trip in case anything needs replanning. You can also find our full blog series linked below for a more in-depth guide. We hope you find this useful. Let's get into it. Europe's rail network is generally reliable, but on a multi-stop trip, one delayed leg can easily bump into the next. Here's how to plan ahead for disruptions. Check operator websites for planned engineering works. Most operators publish closures and diversions months or even years in advance. Our best advice is to route around a closure rather than through it. The rail network in Europe is dense enough that there's almost always a way around. Also give yourself plenty of time. Tight connections look great on a plan but feel terrible on a platform. A station like Milano Centrale can take 15 minutes to walk from end to end. The website Choo Choo is handy for checking how reliably a service runs on time. Protect your tightest connections. Booking a reservation on the following service as well as the one you're planning to take guarantees you a seat if the first one is running late. Also, check whether your route falls under HOTNAT. HOTNAT stands for Hop on the Next Available Train. HOTNAT is a policy agreed on between a lot of operators across Europe that allows you to secure connections even with delays. All you need to do is get proof of delay, usually a stamp on your reservation from the staff on the train or the conductor, etc. Budget for when it does happen. Most travel insurance companies won't cover a last-minute ticket or an unplanned night stay, so set aside a small contingency before you go. That way you can deal with it calmly if it does happen. This is one part of a 10-part video series on how to DIY slow travel. See below for the full series. And of course, if you'd rather not untangle the web of reservations yourself, Byway can take the whole trip off your hands. We'll build your route, book your tickets and hotels, and stay on hand throughout your trip in case anything needs replanning. Thanks for watching and happy planning!